Roman engineering wonders. How they built an empire to last. Imagine cities thriving in deserts, fresh water flowing effortlessly across vast distances, and structures so immense they still dominate skylines 2 millennia later. This isn't science fiction. This is the reality forged by the Roman Empire. While their legions conquered, it was their engineers who truly built the empire, not just physically, but as a functioning, enduring civilization. But how did a society, without modern tools or theoretical physics, achieve such staggering feats? Join us as we uncover the secrets of Roman engineering wonders, revealing the pragmatic genius that cemented their dominion. If the Romans had a secret weapon beyond their legions, it was concrete. Not the kind we use today, but a volcanic ash-based mortar called pozzolana concrete. Unlike modern concrete, which often degrades in salt water, Roman concrete actually strengthened over time, especially when exposed to water. This wasn't just a building material, it was a revolution. It allowed them to build vast, complex structures quickly and relatively cheaply, freeing them from the limitations of cut stone and timber. The transformative insight here is that Roman concrete embodies their pragmatic philosophy. It wasn't about theoretical perfection, but about finding a robust, accessible solution that worked on an unprecedented scale, allowing for mass construction of public works. Perhaps no Roman achievement better symbolizes their mastery than the aqueducts. These monumental systems brought fresh, clean water from distant springs and rivers into burgeoning cities, supplying public baths, fountains, and private homes. They operated entirely by gravity, requiring engineers to maintain a precise, gentle gradient over miles of varying terrain. Where valleys intervened, they built breathtaking arched bridges, like the Pont du Gard. The scale of these projects was immense, ensuring sanitation, public health, and a quality of urban life unparalleled in the ancient world. This was more than just engineering. It was social engineering, allowing for population density and urban comfort that facilitated imperial control and citizen satisfaction. The arteries of the empire were its roads. Spanning over 250,000 miles at their peak, these were not just dirt tracks. Roman roads were meticulously engineered, multi-layered structures, designed for durability, speed, and all-weather use. They were built for the legions to march swiftly, for messengers to convey vital information, and for goods to flow efficiently across the vast dominion. This was a direct investment in imperial cohesion and control. The transformative value here is recognizing that these roads weren't just about movement. They were tools of governance and integration, physically binding distant provinces to the heart of Rome, allowing for faster response to rebellions and efficient administration. While borrowing from earlier civilizations, the Romans truly mastered the arch and the dome. These weren't just decorative elements. They were fundamental structural innovations. The arch allowed for the distribution of immense weight over wide spans, enabling the construction of massive bridges, aqueducts, and multi-story buildings like the Colosseum. The dome, a pinnacle of their concrete technology, created vast, open interior spaces without internal supports, best exemplified by the majestic Pantheon, whose unsupported concrete dome remains the largest in the world. Their understanding of these forms allowed them to create architectural grandeur that was both aesthetically stunning and incredibly functional, a testament to their blend of artistry and practicality. The Roman Empire's legacy isn't just one of conquest and law. It's a testament to unparalleled engineering ingenuity. Their roads, aqueducts, concrete, and architectural mastery weren't just impressive structures. They were the physical embodiment of Rome's pragmatic spirit, its capacity for organization, and its relentless drive for efficiency and control. These wonders allowed Rome to expand, to administer, and to endure for centuries, truly building an empire to last. If the genius of Roman engineering captivated you, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Next, we'll delve into the fascinating and often turbulent lives of the Julio-Claudian dynasty, the first emperors after Augustus.